I just installed the buc10952 trimmer attachment on my Z10. I didn't see any YouTube videos on it, so I thought I'd throw one up real quick, walking it through. I didn't love the instructions, so I thought this might be helpful. These are the parts that come with it. When you do get it, make sure you get the bolts and the lock nuts. The issue wasn't so much getting this bracket, which is mounted on your front right wheel, or right next to the front right wheel. It was this bracket that was not all that intuitive. When you get to the instructions for the rear bracket installation, for whatever reason, they're showing the deck, which doesn't really help that much in my opinion, and it wasn't necessarily intuitive. So I'll walk you down real quick to where I had it installed. So this is your front bracket. Comes with these little rubber assemblies here. So this just rests on here. Underneath, you got this little U bracket that goes underneath the frame there. Then you just bolt those on. That's pretty intuitive. This bracket back here then, the tricky part is you have to mount it underneath the back right wheel. You'll see that little green slot right next to that. There's a hole. You'll line up the hole on the bracket and then you'll put the bolt through there. It's got a square underneath the head. It's got a square that'll keep it from turning. And then you'll do the lock nut on the inside in here. And that's it. Once it's on, then you'll be able to mount your trimmer attachment. And there's the trimmer resting in the trimmer mount attachment.